A very warm welcome to the Sanskar Academy News April edition, your monthly spotlight on the vibrant life of our school, where every activity becomes a journey of learning, creativity and joy. I am Zoya Khan and I feel proud to present the very first edition of Sanskar Academy News. We begin new session on 3rd of April 2025. After a heartfelt orientation program, parents were welcomed with warmth and the vision for the upcoming academic year was shared, a year dedicated to nurturing young minds with purpose and passion. Welcoming newly admitted students with open arms, the school created a comforting and inclusive environment for all the newcomers. Special efforts were made to help them settle in smoothly through guided instructions and joyful classroom introductions, ensuring every child felt a sense of belonging from day one. Let's begin with the Health and Hygiene Week in grade 1, which focused on promoting cleanliness and encouraging healthy habits for daily wellness. We took a creative step forward, paint the planet, encouraging environmental awareness through art and creativity. To build confidence and communication, the month also featured the Know Me More activity, where our little ones introduced themselves with joy and excitement. In grade 2, students began the month by exploring the 5 pillars of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, gaining insights into equality, justice and rights. This was followed by an engaging Earth Day activity that aimed to instill eco-consciousness and responsibility towards the environment. Meanwhile, the Know Your Boundaries session introduced essential lessons of personal safety, helping children understand the importance of awareness and self-protection. Moving on to grade 3, students expressed their love for nature through a heartfelt letter to Mother Earth. Their creativity further blossomed via DIY bookmark making activity, while they also explored important lessons on hygiene and body awareness. Grade 4 mirrored this vibrant learning spirit, engaging in the same set of activities to reinforce the theme of environmental care and personal well-being. Taking the reflection deeper, grade 5 began with revisiting the inspiring ideals of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. They also celebrated regional pride to Color My Rajasthan art activity and embraced a healthier lifestyle with Eat Right, Live Right, promoting mindful food habits and wellness. As part of the special co-curricular activities, grade 4 students under the guidance of Jyoti Chaudhary ma'am creatively explored the physical divisions of India, enriching their geographical understanding through engaging visuals and thoughtfully designed models. In grade 3, Nidhi ma'am brought science alive by demonstrating how the earth revolves, helping students visualize complex concepts with ease. Meanwhile, in grade 2, Supriya Jain ma'am conducted the Hindi activity Boli, designed to help students develop articulation and confidence in their mother tongue.
Let's take a moment to highlight another set of impactful and meaningful school activities. I am Adya Mishra and now I am excited to share with you all some more special highlights of the events, achievements and celebrations across the campus that truly made this month memorable. On the academic front, a career counseling and a consumer rights seminar held on 12th April for classes 8th, 9th and 10th. Advocate Meenal Bhargav enlightened students through a range of career options and explained importance of being a vigilant and responsible consumer. In the honor of Dhalpur Sthapna Divas on 15th April, our students joined a district level rally against single-use plastic. The rally commenced from the court campus and concluded at the district collectorate, coordinated by SDM Sadhna Sharma ma'am. It was a proud moment of the civic participation and environmental responsibility. Soon after, a quiz was conducted in celebration of Rajasthan Police Day 2025, featuring questions on the structure and history of Rajasthan Police, cyber safety, child protection laws, traffic science and more. We are thrilled to share that 7 of our students secured places in the district's top 10. Aradhya Hardenia of class 9th clinched first position with a cash prize of 1500 rupees. Meghansh Tomar of class 9th bagged second position, receiving 1000 rupees. Yuganshu Rawat of class 9th stood third, earning 500 rupees. And consolation prizes of 100 rupees each were awarded to Kavya Tomar, Advait Sharma, Yash Mishra and Ashutosh Kushwa. Adding to pride, among these, on 18 April, these students represented our school at a range level quiz, where Yuganshu Rawat emerged victorious with a cash prize of 500 rupees and has now qualified for the state level round. Continuing the spirit of awareness, Earth Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm. Students visited the SP office delivering a heartfelt message on environmental conservation. Within the school campus, class 7th students showcased their creativity in poster making competition titled Our Earth, Our Responsibility. Adya Rastogi claimed first place, followed by Sehdev Singh Parmar in second and Chabi Singhal in third. Additionally, students of classes 8 and 9 participated in an impromptu speech competition where they spoke passionately on environmental themes. Nilab Agrawal topped in class 8 while Divyansh Goyal took the lead in class 9th. These activities not only celebrated the awareness but also nurtured our students' voices and creativity in building future. All these enriching experiences were made possible under the thoughtful coordination of Sonu Sharma sir, Akansha Bhargav ma'am, Sophia Khan ma'am and Jyoti Tyagi ma'am, whose efforts ensured that the month unfolded with a vibrant blend of co-curricular and extracurricular activities, making learning joyful, inclusive and meaningful. And with that, we wrap up the April edition of Sanskar Academy News. With April's learning in our hearts, we look ahead as may bring even more exciting and enriching activities your way. Stay tuned to Sanskar Academy News, where every month is a new chapter of discovery. Until next time, keep shining, keep growing.